So this is like one of the best little inventions ever. It is a portable dryer. You fold it out like that. It did come, well, let me see. You fold it up the ends like this. So when you want to take it places, but otherwise you pull it out like that and you hang it up like this. You just hang it somewhere. They do have, if you don't have a pole, they have this, they let you bring along so that you can put it up on a wall and hang the hanger right here, so that you can hang it up. Because if you use your garment bag, which I'm not going to pull everything out, but this is our garment bag that you hang up like that, if you see. And then there is, I'm going to show you, on the bottom, this that you hang your clothes on, and then you zip up the bag and you turn it on, and that's how your clothes dry. This is so cool. You can use the aromatherapy if you want, and you clip it on the bottom, and that helps your clothes smell good. The plug-in, or not the plug-in, to plug it in, there is your cord back here, and your features to turn it on and stuff is up there. Now, what is also pretty darn cool about this thing is it does have this hose, and this is the end that you can use to like not dry, but to, well, you can like use it to warm up your bed. If your bed's a little damp or something, you can use it to dry your bed. And again, you hook it on this part of your dryer. You just clip it on like that. When I do it, usually it just clicks, and I love that. Who does not like a warm bed? Especially if it's very, very cold out. Or another cool thing is this little feature. You go hunting, your husband goes hunting, and they come back with those wet boots. You can put that little gadget on here, take this one off, put that on there, and then this goes in one boot each, and you can turn it on and it will dry your boots. So this is like one of the best inventions ever. We take it camping, we take it on trips to the hotel, so we don't have to use the hotel's dryer if we need to, but this is just really neat, and it's very well worth the money, and we love it. It goes with us whenever we travel. Awesome buy, great invention, whoever invented it, and thank you so much. We love it.
Here's a quick just review of what's in the box. This is a portable multifunctional clothes dryer. So here's your instruction manual. Dryer, and the wings fold out. There's a place where you hold it. Here's your bag to put the clothes in. The thing that I like most, because I've got little kids, that I plan on using is this, because they're always running through puddles and their shoes are getting soaked. But how it works, this end connects onto your big blower. This end goes in here, and then these two you stick in the shoes and it dries out the inside. So I'm looking forward to that, because I'm tired of shoes always sitting on the front porch because they're soaking wet. But I haven't gotten to use it. I have turned it on. Works good, and in the sense that it runs and it does blow out warm air. So, you know, it'll be nice next year when we go to the beach and everything. We can put swim trunks in there instead of just having them sit in the shower trying to dry out and everything. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Okay, here it is. This is all the pieces I got. This is the main unit with a little hook that folds down. It's really nice looking, feels good. Instruction book. This is like a shoe attachment. This extends. Drying shoes. Suction cup for hanging it. And for the aromatherapy, I believe. This is basically the kind of the tent for drying everything. So looks good. I'm excited to try it out, especially excited about the shoe thing, but I could see it could be really good for travel as well, like drying swimsuits. So cool.
It's not too noisy. It's been on not even 20 seconds, so you can feel it getting hot already.
Sink outside of the